And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this 3.2 foot USB 4 cable. The front of the box and the back kind of shows you it'd be great for plugging your Mac Mini or Mac Pro into a Mac screen. Let's open it up and take a look at it. That's it for the box. Got a little instruction manual, nice. And then the actual 3.2 foot. Oh, it's braided. I like it. Cable. So it comes with a nice Velcro cable tie here. Nice, nice. And then it's 3.2 feet. Has 40 gigabits of throughput. And outside of that, just the company logo here. Nice little protective caps for the USB-C ports. And then a very, very nice braided cable. This looks exactly like what you would get with your Mac. Nice, clean look, and feels like a very, very high quality cable. I mean, this is like titanium or some type of metal. It is not made out of plastic. So that is pretty amazing. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send me this to unbox and show you all. This is a fully functioning USB 4 Type-C data cable. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.